Number 4, prioritization by proxy. There's a good reason why large-scale Scrum or less is so focused on having one product owner for a whole bunch of teams and having one unified backlog, because otherwise you will not be able to deliver the best you can in your role. This is particularly true if you're working in an organization that is probably skeptical about your ability to deliver what the product owner all demands from you. Remember, you're the one responsible for maximizing the return on investment of the team by delivering the most outcome from the perspective of your customers. If you're running prioritizations by a committee, you're probably working in a feature factory. And this inevitably leads to something that Martin Conway already figured out back in the 1960s. You may have heard of Conway's Law. The short form is shipping the org chart. The long form from Wikipedia is organizations which design systems are constrained to produce designs which are copies of the communication structures of these organizations. And this is exactly what you don't want to have. Also, if anyone else is involved in the prioritization process other than the product owner, you may get into some kind of stage gate through the backbone. Once again, you will end up with some sort of waterfall to zero. This might not be too bad. However, it's also not what we understand about Scrum. We don't want to practice cargo cult Agile. We want to do it in the right way. And this requires that the product owner is the sole person prioritizing the product backlog.